Hey there everyone, it's Pikachu here, and today I'm joined by... Hello there everyone, I'm Riolu. Yeah, today we're going to be reacting to yet another Sun and Moon trailer. Jeez, they've been coming out one after the other. Yeah, no, there's even one that's supposed to be releasing for October 4th. 3 days before the sister location. Oh my gosh, that will be exciting. Yeah, I know. It'll be like the best week, at least this channel wise. First, new Sun and Moon information, like big Sun and Moon information, will come out on October 4th, and then sister location will come out on October 7th, which is a Friday. I can't wait, Pikachu. I can't wait any longer. Yeah, no, me neither. But for right now, let's react to this new trailer to hype ourselves up for the new Sun and Moon big information thing and sister location as well. Wait, how does this hype us up for our sister location? It's basically on the same week as October 4th. October 7th, October 4th. Wait, is that Tuesday? Let's see here. So, October 7th is Friday, so... Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, yeah, Tuesday. Ah, sweet! Pikachu, I don't think we should be hesitating anymore. Oh, yeah, right, let's just get with the reaction. And worry about that week later. So, let's get started in 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh, there's me once again. Whoa, new music! Ooh, a sneak peek of version exclusive Pokemon. And I'm sorry, I can't pronounce that right. Oh, I think I know it's supposed to be based off of a simian. Ooh, wait. Passimian's unique ability receiver. Oh hey, we actually pronounced it right that time. Passimian. Ooh, whoa. Wait, I have no idea what just happened. But ooh, Orango. It's a normal psychic type with the abilities Inner Focus and the telepathy. Whoa. Wait. Oh, instruct. Huh. That seems like a weird move to have. Like, trainers already instruct Pokemon to do stuff. Wait, what the? Oh my gosh, Lycanroc. Whoa, Lycanroc is the evolution for Rockruff. And another evolution, Lycanroc Midnight form. Oh yeah. I forgot to read the Midday form on the Sun version, and then the Moon version has the Midnight form. Ooh, I can't wait to see what... Whoa! Oh, cool! We get to accessorize again. Yay! Whoa! Ooh, maybe Dylan Spike's Word will customize his trainer to look exactly like him. Yeah, maybe. Ooh, that'll look cool. Whoa, Pokemon Refresh. Wait, what? That's basically Pokemon Me, but in Sun and Moon. Yeah, you're right, Pikachu. Oh, whoa! Pikachu, you got a new Z move. Oh my gosh, what the heck is that? Whoa! Hey, my transit threw me up. Wait, I couldn't read that. I think it said Pika Catastrophe. Oh, and here, I think this is Eevee's Z move. Whoa, so Pokemon can actually move with their trainers in their Z move. Whoa, 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 who? Oh my gosh, all the evolutions for Sun and Moon. Whoa, what the heck is going on? Whoa, oh my goodness. Whoa, jeez Louise. So apparently Z moves can be status moves too. Oh my gosh, that was a buttload of information. So first off, we got Passimian and Orangu. So what do you think of those Pokemon? Well, I thought Passimian was really cool, and I thought Organu was really cool too, but it had such a strange signature move. What, you mean instruct? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, okay, that's a good move to have. Like, maybe a helping hand sort of thing. But it seems kind of really confusing. Like, what is Orangu's doing? Like, instructing its partner, or is it instructing Wishy-Washy or whatever partner Pokemon to do something? I have no idea. Yeah, it seems really confusing. And what about the what was it? Rockruff's evolution, Lycanroc. I think it's really cool we get to see version exclusive evolutions. Yeah, I don't think we saw those in Pokemon X and Y. Or I don't think. Well, maybe we've seen them somewhere in the Pokemon universe. I remember there being one version exclusive evolution. I don't know. Well, maybe it's just like oh, I have the word right in my mouth for who it is, but I can't really remember who it is. If only we could remember who it is. Well, yeah, let us know in the comments below. Who do you think is version exclusive evolution? And finally, what do you think of the new Z moves and customization of the trainer? Well, to be honest, we sort of got leaked out already with the trailers as well. Yeah, you're right. There was 4-way battles that kind of showed off the new trainer clothes, and the fact that you can, if you want, you could take off the hat. Yeah, so it wasn't really that much of a surprise to me. Yeah, me either. So, what do you think of getting 2 Z moves? Oh, I feel really special right now. Charizard and Mewtwo might have 2 Mega Evolutions, but I have 2 Z moves. How crazy is that? And I have 2 forms. One is regular Raichu form, and then a Raichu Lola form. Ah, man. Well, you are really special, Pikachu. Thanks. So, please give a like to this video if you liked it. And comment down below of what you think of the new Pokemon, new Z moves, and new, trainer customization and all that junk. And, please give a like on this video if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel, really helps us out. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone.